In Health Watch this evening, during the coronavirus pandemic, Aurora BayCare Medical Center wants to help people focus on their wellness.
Shelley Botat has tips on strength training and eating right to help your overall health.
To help people get through these challenging times, we have been focusing on 6 aspects of wellness: physical, emotional, intellectual, social, environmental, and spiritual health. Aurora BayCare Medical Center is encouraging people to achieve their healthiest life possible. And the health of our body is very important during stressful times. One way to better our physical health is through strength training to build strong muscles and bones.
So as people age, they lose bone mass and bone density, which can cause pain, fatigue, weakness, and loss of mobility. So strength training helps you preserve bone density, which reduces your risk of developing osteoporosis and osteoarthritis.
Workout facilities may be closed, but strength training can be done at home. If you don't have equipment, you can use your body weight.
I would suggest doing push-ups, sit-ups, dips, so you can use a chair that doesn't have wheels on it to do some tricep dips.
Regan, a personal trainer at Aurora BayCare Medical Center, says you can incorporate the exercises into your daily life, like doing squats in a chair while watching TV.
Standing up from their chair, sitting down, and then repeating that as many times as they can until their quads get fatigued to build lower body strength.
And you can use simple things around the house, like milk jugs filled with water or sand, as weights. Regan says exercise in general can help you boost natural hormones.
Strength training can help you with natural endorphins. It boosts mood, and exercise in general makes you just feel better about your body and your mind.
What you eat is also important during challenging times in life. Regan recommends lean meats and whole grains.
Well, it's so important to understand that what you eat and what you put into your body affects us physically and mentally. So if you are eating empty calories or taking in too much sugar, you're not giving your body what it needs to help fight disease and have energy that positively affects our mood.
Regan also recommends lots of fruits and veggies to support your immune system,
such as berries, spinach, carrots, oranges, sweet potatoes, beans, peppers, and anything with bright colors that are high in antioxidants, which are natural cancer fighters.
Always remember when beginning an exercise routine to first consult with your doctor in case you have high risk or underlying health conditions. And Regan has some easy, healthy, and tasty recipes. You can find them in our web story. For more information and updates about COVID-19, visit Aurora BayCare's Resource Center online at aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 5.